Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, most down to today's news. Alright, so Florian Plettenberg will be one of the Sky Sports reporters. Come as I call a post say he get exclusive story about Julian Timber. So Baba of the opinion say Julian Timber get verbal agreement with Arsenal that it is 100% done and he is already a gunner. He gets so at the same time Baba say the deal go just be that kind 40-45 million euros. Gets so that's what he's saying. Sorry, million euros, yes, plus add-ons which are bonuses. So now what will make the deal go on because Timber don't get like an agreement between him and Ajax and Arsenal. Number one, say Ajax could let him leave because of his loyalty. He was very, very loyal to them. When the former Ajax coach, will be Erik ten Hag, come for him, they come back and say make him chill because they cannot afford to sell everybody. They give ten Hag Lisandro Martinez, they give him Anthony, so they no go fit just come carry Timber also dash him. Wetin dey happen? So they come beg and because okay, no wahala, say go wait, but make them promise and say him go leave. Oh, you get they come promise and say go say okay. Now we say all in mind, only for Arsenal again. So it is time for him to collect, just like as they promised that Rice saying he go leave. So he don't identify Arsenal. Say okay, Arsenal makes sense for him. Well, more just the word. The fee is not bad. Get for a player that is very, very versatile, which is why Manchester United and Bayern Munich are fighting for his signature. So they are highly interested in getting him. Almost watch out everything will end. Alright, away from that, so Manchester United don't end their interest from what I'm hearing, even though Fabrizio talk otherwise. But many sources out there they say Manchester United don't end their fights to get Mason Mount. To get now how much will they drag? Should Chelsea bring the fee down? So okay, when I pay 58. Do you know that Manchester United can make another bid for 55 million pounds? Which Chelsea can't disagree, get they can't vex, come on, and I understand their frustration. I understand where they're coming from. Even though Fabrizio the talk say Chelsea see the holder for 65 million, you get, but I think it's 65 million euros because I don't expect it to be in pounds. But I understand where Manchester United is coming from because the player has just 1 year left on his contract. How can you say 55 million pounds is not okay for a player that has just 1 year left on his contract? When we say after that 1 year is going to go out as a free agent, it is a no-brainer. But some people will talk say why Manchester United no come pay up the money gets. For you to know that them internally have their own valuation of the player. So this one for those people they talk say make Arsenal just spend any amount where it take to get Rice. Money is not easy to come by like that. Officially, Rice get 1 year left on his contract. They remain the second year just wait for a contract and West Ham never activate him. You get which is why they are saying he has 2 years, but not really 2 years. That second one just wait for a contract. They never activate him yet. So officially or technically he has 1 year. Officially he has 1 year, but technically he has 2 years. So that is how it is. So much just to watch how everything will end. I wish them all the best of luck. Alright, from what we hear from our sources, we're going to hear say Timber believes that Arsenal have the best projects for his future. You get say Arteta gets a big influence on him already, and the sources all they get this news from now no other than Fabrizio Romano. That Timber loves Arsenal. Like Arteta really sells the projects to the player. Let them know say he can become a world-class beater here. Again, will take him to heights he has never attained before. You know, and the appeal of the EPL. And not just joining the EPL, they're joining a very, very big team, the second best team in the EPL. Now you join and Champions League day, everything day. Young stars like you, he's just 22. Young players like I'm here, so the opportunity for all of them or the potential for all of them to play together for the next 4, 5, 6 years is there, so they will blend, understand themselves, and become a force to be reckoned with. So that is why myself I really like the way we Arsenal they sign. Fine, we are signing some kind of experience, and at the same time we have a very good core crop of players. So what I think that they plan to do now to get like 17-18 trusted hands. So you say do or die, then day here again, they will follow you ride or die. That is what Arteta is looking for to do at Arsenal. They will come get one sprinkle some kind of oldies who just support them mentally. Now also we just want to do. By the end of the day, I think so far, I think we are going to have a great window. But I don't tell them before say now September 1, now go access Mikel Arteta, Edu Gaspar, and Tim Louis, even Richard Garlic on the way them bring in incomings. When we talk about phase 4, September 1, we will know whether really we actually bring players who will come make this our phase 4 in reality. So let's keep watching. Alright, so Man City don't dey close to signing Josko Gavidor from Leipzig, and this guy is centre back. So what's make me bring this news? So just I let you know some kind of things. Now Leipzig is saying this guy is going to cost 100 million and above. Now Man City don't accept personal terms to the players, so now they want to negotiate with Leipzig. And Leipzig, the guy is one of the best defenders in the world actually. So Leipzig, they say this guy is going to cost 100 million and above. Now the question is, will Man City spend 100 million twice? Imagine spending 100 million on Josko Gavidor, then at the same time you're going to spend 100 million or more than 100 million for Declan Rice. Do you think there's a possibility? Has Man City ever done it before? Spending 100 million 2 times on 2 different players in one window. Has it happened before? Let me know in the comment section. So that's what I'm saying, that all this Man City Declan Rice is just a smoke screen. I don't think there's any atom of truth to that. Get till today we never hear any bid. Until the end are preparing. They could be preparing for eternity and nothing will happen. So more just will watch everything. Me, I like make they even go for that Gavidor. If they don't spend that kind of money, I will now see if they will come and spend another 100 million to bring a player that will come and sit on the bench. That is what I'm keenly interested to see. Remember, they've already gotten Kovacic from Chelsea. They'd already buy that one. So let's just see how everything go unfold. Because for me personally, my own thinking is say for this deal to be slowing down, this Declan Rice and Man City for it to be slowing down. Remember we were told Man City had talks with West Ham and they contacted the player. I have a feeling that the player has told them he's not joining them, that he wants to join Arsenal. And there is no way Man City will make a bid for a player that has no interest in joining them. Maybe they take notes. There is no way Man City will make a bid on a player. I've never known Pep Guardiola to do that. To make a bid on a player who never indicates interest, saying he won't join them. So that is what I have identified. But I stand to be corrected. Let's just keep watching. Alright, so this summer transfer, it don't reveal one thing to me. You get, because I told the sleep yesterday, I call the reasoner, I just lie down, I just the reasoner. So it don't this transfer window, the identify one thing, and that thing is Arsenal has a great appeal now to players. Maybe not because of the way they finish, or maybe not because of the Champions League. I don't really know what it boils down to. But I know we have a great appeal. After Man City, it is Arsenal right now. Because imagine players like Romelu Lavia is saying it is Arsenal or nothing. Chelsea they go for it, Liverpool they go for it, Man U they go for it. Even Manchester City will come out and before they see the scamp and they iron. You get, but the guy will say it is Arsenal or nothing. Imagine a Kai Havertz, a senior man, whenever reaching potential, you get. I was looking at Kai Havertz statistics when he did for Bayern when he was 22 compared to before he come go Chelsea. This guy numbers were amazing. It was ridiculous. We compare him to other 22 years old like Ronaldo, Messi, and when you see his statistics, you will be flabbergasted. Until the guy come go Chelsea, Chelsea can kill his career. So when we are looking at all these things for this kind of player who has not reached his peak, they'll be coming out from Chelsea at 24 and be saying it is Arsenal or nothing. Now we're looking at Julian Timber, another top player who Manchester United is going for. They want to die for him. Bayern Munich is going for him. He's telling the whole world it is Arsenal or nothing. The question now is why? That's the major question I'm asking you. That's a $1 million question. Why? Why are all these players identifying Arsenal and saying it is Arsenal or nothing? There's a mentality change. Something is going on that we cannot see. Something on the ground. The appeal from the club, the fans, the staff, the coaching staff, everybody, something is wrong, and I'm going to find out why. Because I think you can't just be this playing style. Something, there's this mentality shift. There's something hovering in the air. I don't feel it's just they give me excitement. I'm super pumped up. I'm happy that this kind of thing. Before was the last time this kind of thing happened? One sign player, the player go say we be shit back. I will know the Champions League. Know the like waiting player define. for a modern day football club? Where they Arsenal? Is it the loyalty of the fans? Is it the fans backing the club? Is it the good manager that understands what it takes to thrive? Is it talent in the squad? What are you looking for that is not here? And I think this is really why players are attracted. Arsenal is like a magnet now. This is why players are attracted. Or is it the comment that I made in the past that we are not supposed to be convincing players to join us? Because players are supposed to naturally love Arsenal because Arsenal is a big club, and that is what is materializing now. Alright, away from that, so we are hearing that Arsenal is tabling £40 million. They are ready to £40 million for Romeo Lavia in the coming days. So now the Daily Mirror, and they'll come outside, they let us know that news update. Say Arsenal, they offer the guy that one. And myself, I know you know be bad deal, yes. I think Southampton were holding out for 50 million, and if you can give them 40 million, you price that player because the player don't just sold on Arsenal project. It's just for Arsenal and Southampton to agree a fee. They can join us. So I did very happy with that development. But we'll make sure so we get Rice. Once we don't get Rice, we'll get this one. Then if Rice no work, then get Lavia, get maybe Nicolo Barella, or get Sergej Milinkovic-Savic, get some other person. Forget, they will run the show. Yeah, so that's what me I'm saying. Apart from still stay, there's no guarantee that Partey is leaving because the zero they hear everything just slow. Juve never can give us any bid. Now only we say they accept personal terms. Personal terms is shit without you agreeing a fee with the selling club. So let's just watch how things are going. We'll just observe. Alright, Besiktas also when they target El Neni for a loan move. So now monitoring spirit they call Aksam for the Turkish media. Now they come outside and let us know this one. But there's something about the deal that I don't like. Besiktas is saying they don't want to pay a loan fee. Instead, they're ready to collect the guy for free, but they'll cover his wages, full wages. I don't know why is it that now when they ask and like people they come they offer us some kind of ridiculous and petty offers. What do you mean you want to take our player on loan but you don't want to pay the loan fee? Who does that? I don't understand. Now when they ask now they get compassion for all these clubs. We just give them cheap deals, which is a no-brainer to me. I don't know why all these things are happening, but now Arsenal hand he did because El Neni for me, I think he has overstayed his welcome for phase 4. Somebody like El Neni has no place there. I don't think he has no place. We need as in new ideas. All these oldies like El Neni, come on, goodbye. Alright, so Arsenal don't officially slap £35 million on Folari Balogun, and people like Crystal Palace they are not happy about it. You get so them said the reason say they want to recruit Folari Balogun make it come play for them because Zaha is about to leave. Zaha never accept their new contract and he's a free agent as of now. So I don't know how it will be. Don't leave them. So when Leipzig when they complain of the price before, Jackpot they can't come back. Well, and see say Inter Milan, AC Milan, people Jackpot when they fight for the guy's signature. Last, me I didn't even expect we'll put the guy for 50 million, but 35 no still bad. You guys, we just collect that 35. Maybe saying that Balogun money will they buy Lavia. So we'll look for other money to identify or buy our targets. So let's just see how everything will unfold. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and happy Sunday. Now get out.